another video. Today we're looking at the deal of the day. We got some great deals from Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools. Big shout out to Josh. He pointed out this. He always does help us out on the channel, letting us know what's up. Big shout out to Josh. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So pretty much we got, you go here to the page, you click on special offers, and then you go to special buy of the day, so deal of the day. Alright, once you get to here, you get to the special buy savings, today only, free delivery. It'll tell you the time you got left to buy the stuff. So you can sort it out by cordless combo kits, power tools, or hand tools. So right off the bat, we got DeWalt. We got the atomic drill driver, impact driver, 2 batteries to charge in a bag, and a free tool, $249. So pretty much all these are the same. I would say this one's the better deal. This one's usually more than $100. So right now you're getting this for just $119, and this, yeah, I think this is probably the better deal on these kits. Let's see here. Yeah, because if you guys look at it, you're getting this for $249, and then this one you're getting for $219. So then you're getting a little bit better deal there. Not the greatest, but you're getting a little better deal. You got $249. So $349 with the oscillating tool. What's the difference in between these? Let's see here. I got 24 cordless hammer drill and impact driver. Oh yeah, you only get on this one. You're getting the hammer drill. My bad, I didn't look at the hammer drill. But yeah, this one you're getting the made in the USA, and plus you're getting the hammer drill plus the oscillating. This one's just a regular with the free battery. This one you're getting the 18-volt lithium brushless cordless combo kit with the 3 tool, $399, and a free battery. Same thing with this. So you're getting the 3-piece, the impact driver, drill drivers, reciprocating saw, 2 batteries, a charger, a bag, and a free tool, which is the angle grinder, $399. Basically a 4-tool combo kit for $400. Same thing with these, $399, your choice, basically. Let's see here. It goes all the way to here. We got Joby, 12 volts, lithium ion cordless 2-tool combo kit with the drill. Oh, 18 volt, my bad. Did I say 12 volt? $169. It's an okay deal, but usually we see this for a little bit more than $100. Yeah, not really the greatest, I would say, but you know, you're getting something. You're getting a few bucks off. $129 for the rigid 18 gauge 2 and 1/8 Brad Naylor combo kit with the. It's not bad. This was a nice one. You get some brushless cordless compact combo kit, and you're getting a impact wrench for $209. You get the 5-tool combo kit, and you're getting some titanium bits there. Looks like a big battery, small battery, circular saw. These are mostly brush tools, just to let you know. Getting the M12 grease gun with 4-amp-hour battery for $129. It's not a bad deal. This one's a good deal too. The crown stapler for $129. Let's see here. This deal is sold out. Thought they had more. Power tools and batteries. Okay. Thought they had more of this. Let's see here. You got the pen. What is this? The Airstrike finish nailer. Let's see here. $219. $259. The carbide tipped 7 1/4 24 tooth carbide tipped max efficiency ultra 10 So you're getting a few blades here plus that for $69.97. This one we've seen it cheaper with the charger in the stores. Let's see here, or for $99 with the charger. You got the fuel. Let's see, it was 18 gauge for $319. Yeah, you got the 18 gauge, the crown stapler, with 2 amp hour battery and the charger. There's another good one that I wanted to point out. Let's see here. This one's not too bad. You're getting $50 for each. You're saving a couple dollars. This one's usually a little bit more than 50, like I would say 60, 70, and this one too. So I believe this one's $49. This one, and this one's a little bit more than. So you're saving a few bucks there. This one's actually more. Actually, it's not. It's pretty good. It's not too bad. It's not a bad deal for $119. It's the impact wrench, the 3/8 impact wrench. Pretty good deal there. M12 cordless, 1/4 right angle hex. Not too bad. Not too bad deal. Pretty good. You got the brushless cordless subcompact for $109. Then you got the smaller one. I would say stubby, but usually it's Milwaukee. But this is the subcompact for $129. The 3/8 wrench. Same thing, the 1/2 inch wrench, $129. Now this is the one that I have. I bought this tool so I can do some remodel. And I haven't had a chance to make that video. I still need to put that video together. I already have all the footage. This kit, I think this is the better deal of all of them. If you need this tool, actually. This is the M18 fuel 1 key 18 volt lithium cordless, brushless cordless 9-inch cutout saw with two amp hour batteries, a charger in a bag. A charger, not a bag, just a charger. All right, $5.99. This was $8.99, and trust me, this is $8.99. Because it does come with two 12 amp hour batteries. It comes with an abrasive disc like a metal, then concrete or brick. And then this thing, it's really nice. I mean, the only thing with this is that you have to have these batteries. It's a must. I tried using smaller batteries, and they would overheat. Or if you do, that would have to be 8 amp hour or 6 amp hour high output. That's the only way you're going to be able to get away with using smaller batteries. But yeah, even a 6 amp hour batteries, you're only cutting like for 2 minutes. For like 3 minutes basically. You're not cutting a lot. So I would definitely go for 8 or 12 at least. 12 is the better. And one downside from this is that when you're using this, the battery heats up because you're putting way too much. You're putting way too much stress on the battery because this is a big tool. This is a huge tool. It does a lot of strength. You're heating up the battery. And by the time you switch to the battery, the battery that you already put out, it's not really charging. So my recommendations is put a fan, blow a fan so you can cool it faster. But yeah, this is a great tool. I love this tool. You're not gonna have any fumes, and because we were doing this indoors, we were remodeling my house indoors, and not to have any like fumes. You're not, breathing all that stuff. And also this water, is very useful because you're not really absorbing all the dust and stuff like that. You're not breathing all that stuff in. So that's another plus there. You can control the water from this little knob, which is a great little deal there. All right, but yeah, this is a great deal. I would say this is probably the best deal out of all of them. So if you're doing metalworking, or you guys do construction, like you guys do like replacing drain lines or anything like that, this works great for you. Especially you're not having that trouble of starting a gas engine, because sometimes they don't start because they get clogged up. But yeah, I think this is the better deal of all these, because this is usually doesn't, tool only, I believe it's this much. So definitely get it. Another great deal here. Got M12. You're getting a free battery and a charger. Yeah, you're getting a free battery, a charger, a 4 amp hour battery, a bag. If you buy the jigsaw, $129. You got the cordless 3-inch by 18 belt sander, $174. I would say you're not really saving a lot on that. It's pretty much, you're paying for everything there a little bit. You might save a couple bucks. This one's a great deal. I did see this at the store for $129 by itself. You're getting a free battery there, so worth it. However, on this one, you're gonna be going through these batteries like crazy, so you're gonna have to have a few of these batteries already. Otherwise, you're only gonna have this for a few hours. M18 fuel brushless cordless 1-inch SDS, $179. You got batteries, the 3 amp hour, 2 amp hour for $79.97, 1.5 amp hour, but a 6-pack, $139. You got a 4-pack XC extended capacity, 3 amp hour by $155. You got the vacuum with the free with the free filter, $99. Let's see if I see anything else that catches my attention. This is a new light that they had, $129 with the battery and charger. You got the speaker with the battery and the charger for $84. You got the lights for $123 with the battery and charger. You got some good deals here. You're getting this for free, so for $29.97 with the 9-piece Hodozer, you get a free axe. This one's not too bad. Alright guys, it looks like that's it for today. Yeah, oh, this is a good deal. I love these lights. I've seen them, somebody using them, but I haven't used them myself. I gotta buy one of something like this. They're really nice. Having the convenience to have put the batteries in and out of these lights. So they're on sale for $64.97. Same thing with these, $54.97 and $89.97. So anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Big shout out to Jeff, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for